फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस और इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के बारे में बताऊंगी। मुझे होप है कि आप लोगों को ये अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगी। अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने डाउट्स लिख के मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और इसी के साथ ही मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि आप पहले वीडियो देखने से पहले आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को अंत तक देखें। वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप इसको लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और शेयर। टू whom can coronavirus cause infection? Answer will be animals as well as humans. Next question, which organ is affected by coronavirus? So answer will be respiratory organ, or we can say respiratory system will get affected by the coronavirus. Question third, name the severe disease caused by coronavirus. So answer will be Middle East respiratory syndrome or severe acute respiratory syndrome. Next question, common cold is caused by which microorganism? So common cold is caused by the coronavirus. कॉमन कोल्ड जो है वो वायरस से होता है, उसका नाम है कोरोना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द रिसेंटली डिस्कवर्ड कोरोना वायरस। रिसेंटली डिस्कवर्ड कोरोना वायरस नेम इज कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस। कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस जो है वो अभी डिस्कवर हुआ है, पहले डिस्कवर नहीं हुआ था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कोविड-19? कोविड-19 की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? तो कोविड-19 की फुल फॉर्म है कोरोना वायरस डिजीज 2019, क्योंकि 2019 में डिस्कवर हुआ था। COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China. In December 2009, COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. From where coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak? It outbreak from Wuhan, from China. Next question, what do you mean by pandemic? Pandemic means disease which outbreak or spread in many countries at a time in worldwide. Question number 9, when did coronavirus breakout begin? It begins in December 2019. Question 10, COVID-19 is which kind of disease? It is infectious or communicable disease. While initial investigations suggest the virus may be present in feces, in some cases to date there have not been reports of facial oral transmission of COVID-19. Additionally, there is no evidence to date on the survival of the COVID-19 virus in water or sewage. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma Gent Pfizer for COVID-19. Then answer is BNT162. Next question, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in a critical condition. Then answer will be plasma therapy. Next question, how does coronavirus transmit? It transmits when a person sneezes or cough, droplets spread in the air or fall on the ground and nearby surface. If another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches these surfaces and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get an infection. And if the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person, these all are the cause for the coronavirus disease. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus, it is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of Nidovirus. Next question, World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of this disease? Answer is COVID-19, means coronavirus disease 2019. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei, that is in China. From where coronavirus got its name? Answer is due to their crown-like projection. How did coronavirus get its name? Answer is coronavirus disease is named by the World Health Organization on 11th February 2020 as COVID-19. When did WHO declare global emergency? Answer is WHO World Health Organization declared a global emergency on 30 January 2020. What is PPE? PPE means personal protective equipment. It is used by medical professionals. What does PPE consist of? PPE or personal protective equipment consists of goggles, face shield, mask, head cover, gloves, shoes cover and overall. Why PPE is used nowadays? PPE is used to prevent the spread of highly contagious coronavirus disease. Which organization has developed a ventilator called VITAL for COVID-19 patients? Answer is NASA. Due to decrease in pollution level, which mountain range has recently become visible from Srinagar? Answer is Pir Panjal. Which company recently provided 60 custom-built bike ambulances for COVID-19 patient in India? Answer is Hero MotoCorp. Environment protection for improving animal and human health was the 2020 theme for which they celebrated on April 28 every year. That is a World Veterinary Day. Which Indian organization started the Team Mask Force campaign to spread awareness about COVID-19? Then answer is BCCI. Princess Sophia of which country has recently undergone intensive online training to become a COVID-19 healthcare volunteer in her country? Answer is Sweden. Which magazine celebrated Earth Day 50th anniversary with its first ever flip over issue? Answer is National Geographic. According to the World Meteorological Organization, what is expected to fall by 6%, the biggest yearly drop since World War II? Then answer is carbon dioxide means CO2 emission. Which of these is a real-time static website owned and operated by DoDeX, which has come to prominence during the COVID-19 outbreak? Answer is Worldometer. Who made India's first coronavirus testing kit? Answer is virologist Minal Dakwe Bhosle created the first made in India coronavirus testing kit during her last stage of pregnancy. The testing kit cost rupees 1200 and can test 100 samples. What is the record time to prepare coronavirus testing kit and name it? Answer is Minal Dakwe Bhosle with her team made the kit in record time 6 weeks and named it PathoDetect. In how much time Indian testing kit gives result? Answer is the kit gives the result in 2.5 hours only in comparison to the imported kits which take 6 to 7 hours. What is full form of NIV? NIV means National Institute of Virology. Which organization has given the approval to testing kit in India? Answer is the Indian FDA and the Drug Control Authority CDSCO. What is full form of ICMR? Full form of ICMR is Indian Council for Medical Research. In how much time PathoKit has been completed? Answer is 6 months. In 6 months it has completed. What is cost of PathoKit? How many sample it can test? Answer is the testing kit costs rupees 1200 and can test 100 samples. Why PP is important? PP is important in a number of ways. It helps in minimizing the spread of the highly contagious coronavirus disease from one person to another, and it protects the lungs of a healthy person while breathing in contaminated air. How does PPE kit work? In PPE kit, there is impermeable fabric which acts as a barrier between infectious material and the body part along with the skin. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or human. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS. MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome means SARS. SARS means SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease COVID-19.